Hello to all my artsy friends. You are going to love these thrifted projects I have for you today. And I'm calling these thrifted squared projects because these thrifted finds are getting a makeover for a second time here on my channel. These all have a black and white theme, so they'll look crisp and fresh in your home, no matter what color scheme you already have in your home. Now let's get started on the first thrifted project. I had made over this milk jug for fall and I'm ready to give it a fresh new look. I'm going to leave it white, but I want to make the detailing black. Now I don't have a Cricut or other paper cutting machine, so I just printed out this little cow and I hand trimmed her. I used a chalk pen to write out the word milk. And I did end up going over the words again after using the Mod Podge, since the Mod Podge caused it to look a little faded. If you're familiar with my videos, you might know that I always go really light-handed on the distressing, but I felt like this milk jug needed a bit of an antiqued look. I like to use this stiff brush for stippling on the paint. I use it dry and I tap off any excess paint and then gently brush this on all the sides, and this will give it a really nice distressed look, but not going overboard. For our next project, you may recognize this from a recent video. It is a basket I made over for spring. The basket was a great thrift find, and most thrift stores usually have a basket or two laying around. This one is very tall and skinny, and the first thing I want to do is give it a few coats of white paint. Next, I removed any of the orange florals and replaced them with white florals from Dollar Tree. So that makes this a very budget-friendly project. I had put a skewer in the bottom of the foam, and that's because this is such a tall basket. I don't want the florals falling to the bottom of the basket. So that skewer will just hold everything in place. I want to mention real quick that today I'm joining some friends in another collab, and we're all sharing thrifted items that we've found and made over. So I'll link that playlist below so you can check it out when you're done watching my video. I have a few different black and white ribbons. I found these on Amazon and I made a bow out of this one. I also have this welcome sign that I had found in the Target dollar spot. I think this will look great on the front door on our basket. candle holder is another thrift store find. It was originally gold, but I had painted it off-white for another project. So today we're going to use a Dollar Tree stove cover to turn this candle holder into a decorative stand. We'll be doing something on the top, so I'm just going to focus on painting the side edge of this stovetop cover. And I want the base to be more of a bright white so it'll match our other projects. So I'm going to cover up that off-white color with a few coats of white chalk paint. You can find this contact paper at Dollar Tree. They actually have a bunch of different patterns. And if you want to make sure this contact paper sticks even better than just with the sticky part on the bottom, use a little bit of spray mount before sticking it down. My favorite spray mount is Super 77, and I've been using spray mount for a long time, and I just never stray from that one because it's the best. I trimmed the edges and then used Gorilla Glue to stick this to the candle holder base. This will grip pretty quickly and it dries pretty quickly too. If you enjoyed these crafts, I would really appreciate a like on this video, and then don't forget to subscribe before you go so you know when I post new crafts. And don't forget to check out my friends' playlist for more thrifted DIYs right now. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you have a very creative day. Bye!